Menteri Jokatana Disaster Management uba kerman Shah Ktah balang Jakatayo ula pente baka jinglong jaka Mariang hak jela Meghalaya na do ka shitarik Haduh ka kharkhandai tarik mentau banai kalakta shika day e yau babun balang uba Shah ula pente baki dan hado shpoa ja aspan ripula ngut kibla Shah Ktah shispa ripho tali ki yeng kibla julor lord khoi 8,000 shispa khandai phandai tali kibla julor manumala bat saungut kibla khlat no na kibla khlat Arngut kila klat haka jingtua khando hamaulat kabadan hamau kanro block East Khasi Hills District but iway ha South Garo Hills District kaladan ruga jing Shah Ktah ban ka jing yap jong katto ka nitali ki jing ri jong ki pai ba
We have 10,263 numbers of population has been affected, which is a huge number, and then we lost around 4 lives within this few days. Till that we have lost 4 lives and then 2 injured, and we have 160 households fully damaged, and then 2,199 households partially damaged, and then we have some buildings like some house office which I could mention here, like BDO's office, PWD roads, manager hatchery and poultry farm under Unsling block, Gram Seva police, and then BDO, SDO, PWD. There are many offices has been affected also because of this recently hailstorms, and then so here, considering all these reports which we have received, we have seen this lots of population has been affected. So I would like to request and urge all the people of our state to be very alert when it comes to this monsoon, because we have seen that every year we have witnessed this kind of loss of life and then affected to the public. So I would like to request all the public to be very careful. No doubt you have to go and complete your task, which is very much necessary for survival. But beside that, I would like to request each and everyone to be very careful.